Alright, this tank got my blood parrot pair trying to get some see if they fertile, but they haven't laid yet. Her tube did just drop. That's the boy up top. Obviously the small one's female. Got my other pearlscale cichlid in here. And my conflict blood parrots. Have mixed breed. Pretty cool though. Called zebra parrots or something. I don't know. You know how they make new fish and make new names. But yeah, this is my custom little tank right here. That's a little filtration system. I built the lighting and all that. My head goes out, drips down. Ooh. Have other lights on it, but they don't work, so I don't know. Gotta fix that one day. One day.